Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words for today. Number one is a body part, not your hands. Correct. 1 foot. And 2, you got it. Number 2 is an adjective. Is the room? Yeah, that is correct. Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. I have 2 feet. I have 2 feet. Feet. Feet are body parts at the end of our legs with 10 toes. Now we can make a flashcard for foot and feet. Foot and feet are irregular, like 1 child, 2 children. And in America, they use this as a measurement. We say Jennifer is 5 feet tall. Similar to 1 child, 2 children, 1 foot, 2 feet, 10 feet. Please make a flashcard like this. 1 foot, 2 feet. Down here, the code, BDY1. This means body, level 1. Over here, the number, 11 out of 25. Now I'll show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Foot. Feet. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. The bathroom is clean. The bathroom is clean. Clean. It is not dirty. If you look for dirt, you will not find any. Now we can make a flashcard for clean. Clean is an adjective and a verb. If you say the bathroom is clean, that's the adjective. But if you say Bob cleans the bathroom every Wednesday, now it's a verb. And the basic forms are different. Be clean is the adjective. To clean something is the verb. Please make a card like this. Write be clean up here in the top left corner. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 10 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. E. Clean. Game over. You did very well today. 1 foot. 2. Correct. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words. It's not a triangle. Correct. A square. Number 2, I will be back. Yes, this means I will return. Number 3, to do something instantly. This means right away, very quickly. Today is Friday, August 1st. If you are new, welcome. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say foot in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.